Start by logging into your PayPal account using your preferred device. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for Bank Accounts in the menu. Select the bank account you wish to remove. Review the details to ensure it's the right one. After confirming, find the Remove option. This is crucial for unlinking your bank account. Click Remove and confirm your choice. This ensures your account remains secure. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message. Your bank account is successfully unlinked. Consider adding a new bank account if necessary. This keeps your PayPal functionality intact. Make sure to review your PayPal transactions. Awareness is key to financial management. Remember, keeping your account updated is essential for security and efficiency. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your finances effectively. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, financial control is in your hands. Take charge today.